Everyone knows Minesweeper on Windows, but how has it evolved over the years alongside every Windows version? I'm not going to talk for most of the video, I'm here to just play Minesweeper and call this work, so enjoy the video. Starting from here, Minesweeper is very different. From Windows 8 and onwards, Microsoft stopped shipping Windows with Minesweeper pre-installed. Instead, you had to download it from the Microsoft Store. However, the Windows 8 Microsoft Store servers have been taken down and it just doesn't work anymore. So I can't download Minesweeper on Windows 8. If we take a look at screenshots, how did Minesweeper used to look like on Windows 8, then it's pretty much just an earlier version of the same Minesweeper that is available now on Windows 10 and Windows 11. There's even ads and microtransactions and all of that stuff. So let's move on to... Here I also had to download Minesweeper from the Microsoft Store first. It takes so much longer to load than the simpler Minesweeper from older Windows versions. Once it does open, it's pretty terrible in my opinion. The first thing you notice right away is ads, which you can get rid of if you buy the Minesweeper Premium subscription service. Also, if you lose the game, you can watch an ad to continue playing. Leave a comment down below what do you think about something like this. There's the same situation here. We have to download it from the Microsoft Store. Then you open it, you see ads, microtransactions, subscription services, and whatever else. Leave a comment down below to boost this video in the YouTube algorithm and get out of here.